What's up guys? Good morning. Welcome to Yogyakarta na binibigkas nila dito ng mga locals as Jogjakarta. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Water Castle. Yan. Water Castle. Sarado pa siya. Mag-open siya ng 8:30. Open na. May tao.
For the entrance fee is 50 per person is
Enter. Okay.
Yeah, slowly.
Oh. Okay. Thank you. Okay, going inside.
Okay,
We're here. May tour guide kami.
Bibigyan namin yung tip yan for sure.
Oo naman. Ilang years na siya nag-work dito? 26 years. Malit lang yung butas dito.
It's for the parfum.
So meron daw sumasayaw dito guys. 40 women. Para sa hari. Yun daw hari. Dito daw siya sa taas. Yan, nanonood daw siya dyan. Sumasayaw dito yung mga babae. 40 na babae sumasayaw daw dito. Kling, kling, kling. Yan. Tapos after nilang sumayaw, yung 40 women, magsiswimming daw sila sabay-sabay dito. Kaya pala tinawag siyang water castle. Oo, yan. Diyan daw sila magsiswimming sabay-sabay. So, dyan daw magsiswimming yung mga babae after sumayaw. Tapos, nasa taas yung sultan. Tapos pipiliin daw ng sultan yung gusto niyang babae. Okay. Okay.
And one woman here, we are fantastic and swimming together.
We're swimming together.
Before notice, yeah, like this only.
They're swimming here together. Yung napiling babae.
Oh, nice.
So, ang lit lang yata ng mga tao dito. Mas malit pa sa akin. Tingnan mo naman yung mga pinto. Ayan o, liit. Kaya guys, ano siya, mababa yung sa ano niya, dito sa ulo. Para daw yung mga tao nagbabaw sila. Kahit na matangkad yung sultan, gaganon ka. That is batik, right? Okay, batik. Why do we call it batik?
Ba is land.
Yes.
Tik is point.
Oh.
Batik.
Batik. Ah, okay.
I have 12 of this one.
Okay.
It's number 3.
Number 3. Okay.
Small.
Okay. So you can finish a small one within
1 week.
1 week. Okay.
Depending year.
Yes.
3 days.
3 days. Okay. So all of this you made it.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You can't take one very cheap.
How
much that?
Two, different. I have to pick my washing machine only 250.
Oh, okay, this is the bedroom. So dito yung kapag may napili na yung hari dun sa mga sumasayaw at naliligo, dadalhin niya dito sa room. Okay, ito na yung bedroom guys. Oh.
And Sultan sleeping here very cool. 1, 2, 3, fire here.
Fire. Ito. Sauna. So this is the bed.
Yeah, bedroom. And we have mattress and we have mosquito net.
Iba guys yung bubong ng mga bahay dito.
who own the
Compare sa Thailand
the building on the
tsaka sa Malaysia and Vietnam.
who the person
Iba dito.
Many.
Okay guys. Ilang oras ang ano natin dito? Ang biyahe natin? 1 hour. Papuntang Huleb Payong. Huleb Payong, right? Yes. Huleb Payong. It's a park. Yes. So yan guys. Para kami nasa Bamban. Diba? Tanong yan. Rice ba yan? Corn? Para ka nasa ano? Okay guys. Nakadating na tayo sa Pulepa, yung new most popular destination. Yan. Okay guys, walang tourists dito, kami lang, exclusive lang siya. Naarkila namin na exclusively yung location. Ang taas nung dinaanan namin kanina. Tiyan mo ano, pababa pa to. Diba? Yung joints ko na naman yung may problema niyan. Yan na naman tayo sa mga buwis buhay shots. Diba? Oh, mga buwis buhay shots yung mga yan. Swing at saka bike. Ayun no. Oh, buwis buhay yun no. Zipline no. Bilis pa mo ng zipline. Guys, look at the view. This is in
Pelepayong.
Pelepayong. Para ka nasa Mount Pinatubo crater. Ganda. Tapos wala pang masyadong mga bisita. So mafe-feel mo talaga yung tranquility. Okay. So we are at the Mendut Buddhist Monastery. May balete tree oh. What is Buddhist temple?
Yeah. Buddhist temple.
Oh, yan yung mga ano, stupa. Stupa. Love, stupa's an easy chair. Uy, social ng ano nila dito oh, nagpa-ribbon. Yung buhok ng lion. Guys, wala na naman pong masyadong tourists dito dahil hapon na. Time check, it's 2:15. Mainit-init pa. Kami lang yata yung tourist na pupunta ng mainit. By the way, meron pong 1 hour gap sa time ni Yogyakarta at ni Philippines. Yogyakarta is 1 hour behind. Yan. Okay, picture. Okay, so we are now going up this temple. It's called Mendut Temple. Yan yung mga stairs, guys. Medyo matataas yung kanyang mga steps ulit. Parang sa Angkor Wat, the first temple that we visited. Okay.
This is the goddess of Arindi, who has many children. It represents
Padero.
fertile, because she has many children. Yeah. There's the goddess Gildas. Inside there are 3 Buddha. In the middle is Buddha, Avalokitesvara. On the left is.
Okay, we are now here at the Pawon Temple. Pawon. Okay. Maliit siya compare kay Mendut. Titop Island. Na-feel ko na naman siya. Okay, going up to the Chicken Church. 200 meters from our parking area. Kita mo na?
It's near.
That's so far. This is a Catholic church. Yung Chicken Church. Actually, hindi siya chicken. Shape siya ng dove. Tapos, hindi rin siya church. Worship house lang siya. Okay guys, we're now here at the Chicken Church. What the scene? Chicken. Let's enter. Center.
Okay, and then now we are at the second floor.
Okay.
And let's say if you want to visit our restaurant, you can access the door behind you. You can turn left, and when you find the stair, you can access the stairs because our restaurant located after the staircase or down of this building.
Okay. Wow, mga paintings. Ito yung katawan nung ano, chicken. Yung bibig ng chicken yung pinakataas. That's the crown? Okay, in here it's the beak. So, jump pack yung ating itinerary for today's video. Binook natin siya sa Klook. Our last stop, yung UNESCO Heritage Site, Borobudur. So, let's go guys! Hey! Borobudur, the map of Borobudur. Nasaan tayo? Yan, what's on Borobudur Park. An entrance pa lang to guys. Alam mo maganda yung timing natin kasi wala nang tourists. Morning sila, tayo hapon. Okay guys, so here are the ticket prices. For foreigners, it's 455,000 rupiah. Let's go. Ayun guys, kasama naman pala sa ticket yung bottle of water at saka may pa-souvenir po tayo na bag dito na may lamang tsinelas. Yung tsinelas susuotin kapag papanik dun sa temple.
People totally just managed to pass them, but on the top 8, 9, 10 level there are 72 stupas and every stupa inside
ito yung literal na no pain no gain.
scan in please. Scan in. Sekarang ini yang paling terakhir. Oke, nih balikin Rek, Pak. Belakangnya sudah nggak ada lagi. Kayaknya saya yang paling banyak.
Yan yung linakad namin guys kanina. Ang haba. And this is the Borobudur. So amazing.
Buddha when Prince Siddhartha first time he giving Dharma in Benares teachings. There are some students from the Buddha. And then archaeologists call that the relief in Borobudur and Prambanan temple in Jogja. For example, it is bigger, yeah, and then the wheel inside. Detail, I mean, one to see. Oh,
Wow!